Hi, I'm Jennifer Wagner, Elk River Council member, and I'm at the Elk River Ice Arena with Tony Siebert, the maintenance supervisor for the arena. We're going to talk a little bit about what we do on the job today. So Tony, give me a little heads up of what your day-to-day operations look like.
So I come in and I open the building. The big thing for me is the guts of the operation. So any maintenance on equipment we have in the building, HVAC, Zambonis, anything like that, I'm in charge of keeping everything up and running for the day.
Big job. There are a lot of
it can be a big job.
A lot of individuals come and use the arena. We've got adults, we've got kids, we've got youth, we've got ice skating and youth skating and hockey and adult leagues and so on. So on average, what do you think the number of games played in the arena is?
So a total the number of games that we see here is probably roughly about 400. We have high school games going on, so the boys and girls high school teams have 12 games a year at home. Youth games are played here. We have the Section 5 final here. That's one of the biggest games of the year. And then we have youth tournaments that come in on weekends. So
okay.
There's a lot of activity going on all year long.
So we're out here on the ice now because, let's be honest, one of the things that most people want to talk about and know about is the Zamboni. So Tony, tell me a little bit about this machine and the Zamboni, and maybe start with what's something most people wouldn't know about the Zamboni machine.
Both of our Zambonis are electric. We have no emissions that go into the building. It's a pretty simple machine. It really is. There's a couple components that go into it, but once you get to know it, it's a real simple machine when we start looking into it.
That's awesome. Will you give me a little tour around it?
Yeah, no
Tell me a little bit more.
So the whole guts of the operation starts right here. We have a blade and a conditioner. The back piece is called a conditioner. It's a really sharp blade that sits in there, and we actually cut the ice. It cuts the top layer off of the ice, goes up into an auger system.
So if I was to touch this, is this sharp?
It is very sharp.
Okay, so I won't touch.
No, and you don't want to put your hands in there. So these augers spin in opposite directions, and when the shavings come up, they come to the center. In the center here, we have a vertical auger that goes up in the center of the machine and shoots into the box on the front.
In here?
Yep.
Okay.
So all of our snow shavings go into the box up front. Now to make ice, we shave it off and we have to make it as well. So we have ice making water that comes out the back. That's the water most people see when the Zamboni's coming around.
And that's what these little holes are? The water shoots out of here?
Yep.
Okay.
And that's hot water. It
Okay.
comes out at about 140 degrees.
Why? Why is it hot water?
Because when you have hot water, there's less impurities that you're laying on the ice. Cold water has impurities in the ice, and them can damage your ice, crack your ice, and stuff like that. Hot water takes the impurities out, and it actually freezes a lot faster than cold water.
Good to know.
Inside the conditioner as well, we have what's called wash water, and there's two spigots that shoot water to the center and a squeegee in the back that you cannot see. And that shoots the water in the center, and any ruts you see in the ice, it takes some of the snow shavings, covers it up, and puts that cold water on it.
But tell me a little bit of day in the life of the Zamboni driver and the type of pressure that they might find themselves under. Because I'm a little nervous, I'm not going to lie.
No, most of the pressure our Zamboni drivers feel is more of the pride thing. So getting the ice perfect for them, you know, they feel pride in a nice sheet of ice. It's not so much in the stands, although if you do screw up pretty bad, you're going to hear about it when you get into the lobby.
I bet.
Yeah.
I bet you would. I bet you would. So, well, I'm excited to give it a try.
Me too.
All right. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm going to turn on my...
Drop the conditioner. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Drop it, drop it, drop it. There you go. Feel it lift up?
I do. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, now I got my augers.
Yep.
Right? And my water. And then my pump.
Good. Now you're making ice.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Just like cutting the grass.
Anybody can do this, really. All right, now I'm about halfway. I'm at center ice here. So, but I can just keep going. I just make a turn and go around. We don't have to stop.
No.
All right.
You always want to make right-hand turns on a Zamboni. Never a left.
Why?
Because you can't see this front corner. So you can see when you're
radius here? Like, how soon do I need to start going?
The turning radius is 16 feet.
All right, so I got to get going here pretty soon.
You can turn pretty soon.
Start making the turn.
Yeah.
All right.
Sam, our quality control agent.
Uh-oh.
At the door down there.
Uh-oh, I feel like I'm being watched. I feel the pressure. I feel the pressure. Here.
You can turn your honors off.
Oh,
There you go.
and then here.
Yep. And your wash water pump.
I'll have my application in by the end of the day.
Sounds good.
All right, well, I think I better get back to my day job. Thanks for the opportunity to come out here and learn more about the arena, drive the Zamboni, and just kind of know about a little bit more about what this facility does and how it helps our community and services for them and everything. So thanks for having me. This is probably a pretty good day of on the job here in the city of Elk River.